Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video. So as you can tell by the title of the video, we have an On3 turbo kit right here for the LS notch. So for those that are new to the channel, I'll post a picture of the car right now. And yeah, so that's the car, and this is the turbo kit that's gonna go in the car. A quick description on the car is just a stock LS1, and yeah, that's basically it. So we're gonna be throwing this turbo kit on. I don't know what time frame I'm gonna do it in because I still want to order injectors. I don't know if I'm gonna go 85 or whatnot, but yeah, so that's for later on. Today's the unboxing video. I already opened up the turbo box and one of the other boxes because there's 3 packages total. It's that one that has this is the first box that got here. This one just has the piping, and the bottom box had a turbo in there, so I opened it up so I could see the turbo. But other than that, I haven't opened nothing else. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the one I opened up already. This is where the turbo came in. Comes with a bunch of this to protect the packaging, I'm assuming. So that's been nice. And sorry about the noise over there. I have a little bird and he makes noise. So alright, let's see. Dealing with this. Not too sure what this is either. Put everything there. So the turbo, I did in fact order, I think it's the 78mm one. Some piping and some couplers. Let's see what else is in here. Well, intercooler. So 3-inch intercooler comes with. Other than the turbo, I just ordered the stock kit. I didn't do no more add-ons. So, and the reason I went with the bigger turbo is I don't know, people say it's better, and in case I do end up, you know, wanting to do more power, I have the turbo for it. So I think that's it. So that's the first big box, and like I said, the turbo came in this one. So, you know, I'll show you the good stuff. This is a journal. It's not a ball bearing, so there we go. It's a pretty big turbo. Comes with the gasket, and yeah, this guy is pretty big. The one on my Integra is a GT35, and it's puny compared to this one. So yeah, there we go. Has a V-band exhaust, I think T4. So I mean, compared to my hand, but yeah, so it's a pretty good size turbo. So that's the turbo. Okay, obviously some couplers. So it comes with couplers. I mean, it comes with everything you need. But it's just an unboxing video, so let's see what comes in here. And I believe this kit cost me around $2,100. So this is the wastegate. Let's see. Make sure I don't drop anything. So it's an On3 brand wastegate. The bolt just came off. Oh, it's right here for the pipe on the wastegate. But seemed to be a pretty sturdy wastegate. It doesn't seem too cheap, but I haven't seen no real reviews on the wastegate itself. But you know, it's always better to upgrade to a more known wastegate brand. So eventually I will upgrade to a better wastegate, and I'm not too sure how much PSI the kit is, so I guess we'll see that when I slap it on. So that's basically the wastegate in here. I wonder if it comes with like, it doesn't really say nothing. Okay, so if I figure out what springs in there, I'll put it in the video with the text. But let's see what's in this guy. Okay, so these are all clamps, and these are good clamps too, not no cheap clamps. Oil stuff, oil lines, oil drain, fittings. Comes with something so you could tap your oil pan. I might see if I could tap into the timing cover. Comes with a video. It says LS Fox, so hey, it might have actual instruction on how to install it. If it does, I'll play the video later and I'll include it in the video if it is an install video. I think it is though. Some bolts, I'm not too sure for what. And let's see what this is in here. EC1, it's labeled. Some vacuum lines. I believe this is a, called it a boost. I forget what it's called, but it's to up the boost or lower it. A boost controller, there we go. It's a boost controller. So I usually don't like running cheap boost controllers because I've had bad experience with my Integra. So I probably won't run this. It probably the spring's probably like a 5 pound or an 8 pound because usually it's lower because with the brain fart. But with that you can't lower the boost more than what the spring is at. So if the spring's at 8 pounds, you can't lower it to 5 pounds. So I'm pretty sure it's a lower spring than something high. Alright, let's see this one. So a blow-off valve, which is On3 brand 2. Yeah. Comes with a couple things included in here. Some banjos, fittings, all that good stuff, gasket, and then the thing to clamp it down. So yeah, just basic turbo stuff. That box. And now the intercooler. Let's see. Oh, then it does come with a sticker here that lists all the things that were in the box. So the turbo, which is the 78, and then the hot house. I mean, it just has a list of things that came in there. So let's pop this open. Okay, a pretty big size intercooler. It got some weight to it. Pretty thick. It has a cool On3performance.com engraved on there. But just your basic intercooler, and has a pretty big inlet and outlet, so that's good. So I don't really want to unwrap this guy, but it even has On3 turbo sprayed on there. But I'll just kind of show you guys that, how thick it is. And yeah. So. Alright guys, sorry the camera died. We're on the G7X now. But yeah, that was the intercooler. And I believe that is all the stuff in this box. So this is the box that I said that first arrived. It's a smaller box. It just has a bunch of pipes. So I'm not really gonna, I mean, I could open one up so you guys can see the quality of it. I mean, it's just, you know, your basic piping. This is the one for the blow-off valve. So yeah, really nice and shiny. So that's cool. Alright, so now onto this one. This should be all the exhaust stuff. I'm opening the box like this so I can just put the stuff back in for storing purposes. Alright, holy shit. Okay, so should be all the exhaust stuff. It's gonna make a mess, but whatever. Oh shit, it made a mess. But this is one of the pipes. Looks to be like the exhaust pipe. What's that? It's pretty big. And it's pretty nice. Hawaiian welds look nice. So right there. Some good quality stuff. one manifold right here, exhaust manifold. This is where the turbo goes. So this is, the turbo goes on the passenger side. So if you get the passenger side, something like this. This is the crossover would go here. The dump tube for the wastegate. This is. Seems to be. I am not too sure what this is, but yeah, that's included. I'm not too sure what it is. Maybe in the install video that they, you know, have the disc of, will show us. Here's the driver's side manifold. I'll take this one off for you guys so you guys can see it. It's nice and shiny. Big. Not bad. I mean, this is more of a budget-friendly, you could say, kit. A lot of people, you know, have their thoughts about it, but hey, we're gonna try it out. It wasn't our budget, so that's what we're gonna rock. And this one is, I think it's half of the crossover tube, and then this is the rest of the crossover tube. So this basically connects both exhaust manifolds to each other. And I think that should be it. Yeah, that seems to be everything. So yeah, I'll give you guys a quick look of how everything looks right there. Shouldn't be too hard to install. I mean, everything's pretty straightforward. And yeah, I mean, that's basically a quick little unboxing video for you guys on the On3 Turbo. My bird don't shut up. But yeah, so if anyone, you know, thinks about ordering this kit, it looks like a pretty decent kit. I won't know obviously till I install the kit, but look forward for that video. I'll be trying my best to get all the parts that I need to get it installed. Like I said, I still need to see where I'm gonna do the return line from and order injectors. I'm just not in a rush. Like, the car works right now, you know, LS1's still fun, and I have some other projects that I wanna finish or whatever. So this could kind of be just there. So at least I have the kit and I'm gonna do it. Just I need to see when I have time to do it too, because I don't want to have the car parked in the garage with half a turbo kit on or whatever. I just want to, once I'm ready, I want to install it, tune it, and we're good for the streets. I don't want to have it and then like I'm missing injectors and I can't drive the car and all that stuff. So that's basically where I'm at right now. But yeah, just a quick video of this On3 Turbo kit. I'll leave a link down below of the website. I mean, obviously you can just Google it, but I'll leave the link down. And let me know if you guys have, you know, tried this kit, or if any of your friends have this kit, how they like it. They have multiple kits for a lot of cars, you know, trucks, Mustangs, all these types of different swaps. And yeah, I mean, it's a cool little kit. It's budget, so yeah. But yeah, guys, till the next one. Deuces.
Louder.